Welcome to Cross Rifle Trading Company. Thanks for joining our YouTube channel today and just taking a few minutes out of your day to watch the video, what we have going on over here. So I'm gonna go over a couple things about holsters. Holsters are a big part of our business alongside wallets and now we're getting into belts. I'm gonna go over a little bit today why they are the funnest for us to make, or for me to make, and why they can compete with Kydex holsters. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go over a few of the guns we have here and then type of holsters and your options. Okay, so first I have the Walther PPS 9mm. This is just a blue gun, but this is a inside the waistband holster. Let that kind of focus in on it. And this right here is a inside the waistband clip. It just goes right under your belt, right under your gym shorts, whatever. This is a very concealable holster and pistol. This does have an adjustable cant on the holster, so you can unscrew this and kind of just adjust it to however you want it to be. And then we have the outside the waistband holster. This is the Sig P320, 9mm. And yeah, this thing is, it's heavy, it's big, it's full size, it's hard to conceal with an inside the waistband even, but an outside the waistband, the customer, some people like the outside the waistband. Maybe they want it for hunting, maybe they want to go fishing, maybe they just live in Texas. I don't know, or Arizona, as this customer does. So this is a good option. It goes through your belt only, and it is outside the waistband. It can be concealed maybe through like the fall, winter, maybe early spring months with a jacket, a coat, something like that, maybe a really loose t-shirt. It is harder to conceal than maybe this Walther PPS, but that's not the holster's fault, it's Sig's fault. So, but that's a good option to have. So now I'm gonna go over the Glock 43X. This is actually my gun. There is no magazine or bullet in it, but this is just a regular old Kydex inside the waistband holster. So this is really gonna be able to compare to the Walther PPS that we have right here. The size, I mean, it's identical really. If you guys can see, kind of stand up a little bit. The size right there, back to back. I mean, this is a perfect comparison to what we're talking about today. So this company, I won't release the name of the company, but this is a good holster. This is a good quality holster. I mean, look at the detail on that. All right. I love it how they have like the little unicorn on the back. It might be a Pegasus, but we're gonna go with a unicorn. So I like the detail. I like this holster. It was a quick holster that I had to buy when I first bought this handgun. I didn't have availability to my shop to make my own, and I haven't got around to it yet, but I'm definitely going to probably use this right here to be able to conceal it. So yeah, that's a good comparison right there between the Kydex and the leather holster. And if you look at the size, I personally like to have the sweat guard on my holsters. This one does not have it. One, it protects your weapon. Two, it protects yourself, because you know, I would rather have a piece of leather kind of rubbing against my stomach if I'm carrying appendix, or my side if I carry it on the hip, than this gunmetal right here. It's just going to be a little bit harder on your skin. So I personally like to have the leather sweat guard. Okay, but enough about that. Let's reholster this one. Now I'm going to get on to the Ruger LCP and why this is also no magazine, no bullet, but why this is this can be a good option. When I first started carrying firearms on me, I had my concealed carry permit in the state of Alabama, which is relatively easy to get. I had it before I joined the Air Force, which was in 2000. I believe I had it in 2016 on 2017, and I was 19 years old, and I had a concealed carry permit. You know, growing up around firearms, being really into firearms, really into gun safety, it can be a good decision. Maybe I'll make another video. Let me know. Maybe we'll go over like some gun safety, why you should respect guns and being a responsible gun owner. We'll go over that. But this is what I used. It wasn't leather. It was like a little cloth sleeve for my M&P shield. And the LCP is even smaller. It's even better. I can stick this in there and I can literally just put that in my pocket and no one knows that I have a firearm on me. You know what I mean? And it's enough. It covers the trigger guard, so it's not going to fire accidentally. It has a less likely chance, and it doesn't cover the magazine release, which is standard across all of our holsters. which you should actually have that across all your holsters too. But yeah, this is a great option for just put in your pocket, put in your truck, your vehicle, and just kind of not forgetting about it, but letting it be in there. Maybe you would feel better about it being around children, being around people who aren't as gun savvy as you are. But yeah, so that's a good option. So now let's talk about the retention on the leather holster versus the Kydex holster. That's kind of what I want to make this video about. Just lay out the options that we offer here at Cross Rifle and go over why I believe it can compete with your Kydex holster. So first of all, I want to kind of go over, and show you it's not going to come out. Okay, the retention is there. And I have customers who have had my holsters for going on a year now. And so hopefully we'll send some updates. Maybe, we'll try to visit them, do a little bit of an interview and see how their experience has been over the year and kind of go over the retention scale. And our holsters have kind of even gotten a lot better than, like, say, the first couple we made. So, but yeah, so this sucker, first of all, if you carry appendix or you carry a hip, you're gonna have a belt keeping it to your side or to your body. And so the retention is really not gonna be too big of an issue, but even if it was an issue, okay, enough said. Now let's test the Kydex. A little bit of shake there. Okay, as easy of a draw, and it's not gonna come out. I'm not gonna shoot this one too hard because it's actually my firearm, so I don't wanna drop it. Have no problem dropping a blue gun. I don't wanna drop my firearm, so. Guys, I don't see the issue. The leather's gonna be more comfortable. Like I said, it all comes down to personal preference. So if you guys are into leather holsters, it gives you that real Western, real nostalgic feel. They're fun to make. They sound good. Listen to this. The click is a little bit louder, but it's still there, So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you appreciated it. Subscribe to our channel. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Instagram, follow us, follow our page. Yeah, so I really appreciate you guys taking the time and watching our video, and hopefully you guys can go out, get to the range, get some more practice. Hey, if you're in the market for a leather holster, let us know. You can send us a comment. You can go to our store. We're on Etsy, Cross Rifle Leather, or you can go to our website, crossrifletrading.com. And yeah, let me know what you think. See Okay, welcome to Cross Rifle Trading Company, the YouTube channel. Today we just want to go over a little bit about